Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. The esteemed dignitaries on the dais, Shri Sharat Kumar, the President of Hyderabad chapter of ACFE, Ms. Prabhakar Alok, IPS retired, who held several prestigious positions in the police department during his tenure. The present Commissioner of Police, Cyberabad, Sri Stephen Ravindra, other dignitaries, anti-fraud professionals who have come physically, and those who have joined this conference through digital medium, and ladies and gentlemen, I deem it as a proud privilege. I feel it as honored to be amongst all of you, all those professionals who have been contributing immensely for the fight against frauds within the society world over. It's a happy occasion to be part of this inaugural session of the third annual conference of the ACFE Hyderabad chapter. At the very outset, I would like to convey my gratitude to Mr. Sharat Kumar for having invited me to be present here and be a part of this August gathering. Mr. Sharat Kumar has been associated with police department for decades as a professional auditor, as a keen learner. He has been assisting the department in various facets of police welfare, improving the quality of investigations in economic offences, collecting the scientific evidences through forensic audits, and ensuring that the convictions are achieved in the critical cases. It's a matter of delight that a person who has been associated with the police department has started this chapter as its founder president. We are also benefited by his immense experience with his association with various corporates, government, non-governmental organizations all over the country, and especially in investigation of very, very critical, crucial cases that the nation faces. As front runners, you have been contributing immensely for the fraud prevention and detection worldwide. You have been the certified professionals as certified by this association, ACFE, headquartered at USA and having chapters worldwide, represented by a global community of over 85,000. It's not the certificate that matters, but as you know, it's a networking. It is the learning from each other's experiences that will enrich your careers. It will elevate your confidence levels. It will improve your competence and make you proud professionals of this organization. I am informed that ACFE is the world's largest non-profit anti-fraud professional organization, and it's a premium provider of anti-fraud training, education, apart from fighting the fraud globally. So as professionals, all of you must take pride in being part of this organization. Certificates can come from any organization, but the organizations which immensely contribute for the good of the society the societal good. That's the most important component of this chapter. This organization, ACFE, and in every aspect of your work, your willingness to learn, improve, compete, and then deliver the services to the society in terms of fighting these frauds. It goes a long way. You may be a global community of 80,000, 85,000 professionals, but your impact can be multiple times. It has no limit, limits. You can build communities around you if you are working for a corporate, if you are working for a government organization, a non-government organization, or if you are a freelancer, you can build communities around you, influence others in learning these skill sets, educate the people around you, and ensure that your impact is multiplied in terms of motivating and moving the communities around you for this common goal. I'm impressed by the tremendous work being done by the ACFE in the areas of fraud deterrence and also the knowledge updation through their quality trainings, workshops, publications, seminars, webinars, and other educational materials. I'm overwhelmed by the quality and robustness with which the ACFE is conducting its examinations for admitting the potential professionals coupled with strict code of conduct, our professional ethics. My compliments to all those professionals who have gathered here, who have willingly decided to be part of this association and then be committed to the cause of the society. All of you, having been successfully completed the tough examination, you are now in the portals to join the noble community to serve the society. We at the police department normally come into the picture after a crime takes place, especially in these frauds. Though we do a lot of awareness within the society, but the question of forensic audits, the investigations, the tools and techniques learned by all of you, they can be of immense use even to the police department wherever you can associate yourself with the police department and assist us. Thanks to the rapid strides that have been taking place in the area of technology, the police departments have adapted themselves in usage of technology in the course of discharge of their duties as force multiplier. And these technologies have been of immense help in collecting scientific evidence and ensuring that the accused are convicted and proved guilty in the court of law. So therefore, these technologies, as you know, they continuously evolve, rapidly change, get phased out, new technologies come in day in and day out. It only signifies that we need to upgrade our skill set on a regular basis so that we are able to compete with the changing environment and compete with the violators of the law. And in fact, we are ahead of them in ensuring that we prevent the frauds and we detect frauds and we get the fraudsters convicted in the court of law. As you all know, the technology-based frauds and financial crimes have been on the rise at alarming rates, especially the cyber crimes. As you see, the whole world has adopted the digital mode of life, and there is no crime today without the digital component. And every moment someone or the other is tricked into a crime innocently, and then large scale cyber criminals, cyber crimes have been happening. All these cyber criminals on the prowl. It requires the community's determination to get united and then fight these fraudsters so that the society where we live, the world where we live is safe, secure, and then worth living. The services of the ACFE certified professionals are utilized by the corporates as in-house specialists, predominantly focusing on the preventive fraud control measures. It's a very laudable effort. But then my appeal to all of you is that apart from doing your bit as a part of your job, as I have already said, you must build a community of professionals, though they may not be formally certified, who can also help the society in preventing frauds, in detecting frauds by associating yourself with the local communities, the local law enforcement agencies. I am very happy to be informed that the professionals constituting this ACFE stand tall in preventing as well as detecting frauds. The organization supported by ACFE certified professionals have uncovered frauds up to 50% sooner, leading to 50% lesser losses, as furnished, as a part of the document to the worldwide report that has been furnished. The very fact that more than 75% of Fortune 500 companies employ certified fraud examiners bear the testimony to the competence and the credence of the professionals certified by the ACFE. So therefore, you are a group of galaxy of professionals who have the immense potential to contribute for the good of the society. So therefore, apart from discharging your duties on the job very diligently, you can, if there's an opportunity, associate yourself with the local communities and widen the sphere of influence of your impact, your own contribution to the society. The various services being provided by the CFE worldwide as well as in India, particularly while working in different government agencies, is very laudable. The singular example, the most prominent example I can say is Mr. Sharad Kumar. All the high profile frauds, wherever they take place within the country and investigated by whichever agency, whether central agencies or state agencies, investigation agencies, he is always there to assist them. And many times his presence brings the professionals from several other the law enforcement police officers, like this, individuals from different groups are brought together, that the present conference, the third annual conference held by the Hyderabad chapter of ACFE, would be a great success, and it would be a very great learning experience for all of you. And at the end of the conference, you all will be feeling more confident and also more future ready to face any challenges within the society. In conclusion, I wish all the participants a very happy learning sessions ahead. I take this opportunity to thank all the members of the committee for having invited me to be present here and then share my thoughts. Thank you all.